April 27, 2019. The blizzard has hit. Look at that. Look at the mound of snow. That was grass yesterday. Look at the mound of snow on the door of the garage today. Look at this. And don't say, well, you live in Canada, eh? Because I'm going to tell you right now, this is so abnormal. It makes me sick. This is not normal snowfall. We don't get this kind of snow at this time of the year. I'm usually sitting outside getting a suntan. Look at this crap. It blew in from Alberta. You can't even go anywhere because it's whiteouts on the highway. So I guess I'm homebound for a while. Enjoy your day. And I hope to see y'all tomorrow night, 7 o'clock Eastern, for the Wiener Drop. See ya. Bye.